people, so I'm back to doing my reviews. Whether or not someone watches, it is just something I like to do, so I'm going to be doing that and see the number of books I have here. Yeah. So, yesterday I saw this movie called Chandigarh Kare Aashiqui, which is on Netflix, and it stars Ayushman, Khurrana, and Vaani Kapoor. And you know, it is it is a Yash Raj film, I think. No, actually, it has been made by Abhishek Kapoor. And oh my god, like in the recent past, the kind of films that are coming are like they give you so much fodder for thought. Like basically, Chandigarh Kare Ashiki is all about this whole gym owner who falls in love with the central character, the female protagonist. She is the central character, literally, of the film, Vani Kapoor, only to realize, like, after they've been together and gone all the way and all, only to realize that she is actually a trans woman. As in, her character was a boy earlier who transitioned into a woman, after all those operations. So it's like, my god, I mean, the whole film has been dealt with so sensitively, and it is something that is, it's like a slice of life in the real sense. Like, this is how people in sector I don't know, sector 35 Chandigarh would act, talk, react. So it is such an honest portrayal. And the performances, I mean, now Ayushman Khurrana has come to be like a benchmark. Like, we just have to look forward to his work because it is so stellar. And even the supporting cast, they do quite a good job in making the whole film so real. It's as if you're watching someone's real story play out on screen. So I can't recommend this film enough. Yeah, it's called Chandigarh Kare Ashiki, and it will blow your mind. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.